Alright, this is vlog 4. Today I'm headed north to Glen Oaks Park. You'll probably notice my face is a little bit more swollen than normal. That's because 3 days ago I got my wisdom teeth removed. And my face is a little bit swollen now, especially around the cheeks, you'll notice. So I look a little bit lighter on the face department, I guess. Hopefully this time my equipment will work and I will be able to get a good vlog in. Recently I've been having some problems with my Hero on my actual, or the sessions on my quad. Normally it like works totally fine, but just recently I've been having some problems with it. It'll just like start and stop recording in the middle of like nowhere in my room, and it'll just like start beeping randomly. It's super random, but hopefully it's fixed. Also on the Hero 7, which is the camera I'm vlogging on right now, it would randomly just delete footage, which is like a serious bummer because I need that footage for my vlog, obviously. But hopefully this time it won't delete any footage and I can keep all the footage I take. Also, my friend finally got his quad fixed. His motors came in and he put them on. We were having a whole bunch of troubles with it at first, but then we fixed it, and he hasn't flown in a few months, so he's a bit rusty, but he is flying. I'll put in some of that footage right now. So he's having problems with his quad. That's definitely a first. Never heard of that before. So now I'm just gonna try my battery and tune out some PIDs to see if that works. Meanwhile, I'm just chowing down some salsa. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. This kid hasn't flown in months.
Okay, I want to get out of here actually.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Oh dude, it's powerful, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm not used to it, bro. It's been a while.
Well, yeah, you're at like less than half throttle, and it's more than hoovering. Gotta admit, you're a bit better at flying than I thought you would be for like not flying for a few months. Nice, nice. Nice flight, boy. So yeah, you got his quad back in the air, and hopefully we can go flying again sometime. Alright, so we made it to the park. Sprinklers are on. Huh. A few more obstacles, I guess, but I made it to the park. Last time I was here, I was flying with my friend just over here, and I only flew one pack before my quad fell apart. So hopefully this time will be a lot better. Can't really get much worse than that. I flew up, hit a tree over there, and a broken arm, and that was the end of that for that day, I guess. Hopefully this time will be a bit better. I don't know what happened. It just like crashed. I guess the battery must have come unplugged, because when I found it, the battery wasn't plugged in over here, and nothing's broken on it because it hit a tree. Luckily, someone over there helped me out in finding it, but I don't know what's up with that. It just crashed. I'm gonna keep flying because I'm not gonna leave you guys with another half of a vlog like last time, but hopefully it ends here. I'm at a new spot now because the last spot got overrun with people, and it's not good etiquette to fly over people. Also makes me nervous and not fly as well. So I'm just at this spot. It's the same park, it's just a different area of the park. I think you'll see when I get up, you can see I was flying over there. But yeah, new spot.
Patterns with a broken sound. You're the only one that can calm me down. My head spins in circles, so I'm dizzy now. All of this time I should have figured it out. I'm a free animal, free animal.
got some good flying. I like this spot a bit more than the first one I flew at before it crashed. The first one was good, but it was a bit tight. This one I like how it was a lot more relaxed with like the open trees and such. I didn't fly much over the water. That's just because I'm too scared to lose my quad. Risk versus reward situation here. Not that much to be gained by flying over the water. It'll look cooler, but not a whole lot other than that. Hello, bird. Goodbye, bird. So the crash, I'm pretty sure that happened because the XT60 was loose and the battery came out mid-flight, so it just free fell. It was a plane, 1 second. So I just used a screwdriver to space out the prongs in the XT60 and it works like a charm now. So yeah, that's the end of vlog for today. As always, onward and upward.